Assalamu alaikum, I'm Hira Waheed. Comparing the Nazis' ideology with the Indian BJP RSS mentality. German Nazis sought to establish the Aryan supremacy. Indian BJP RSS seeks to establish the Hindu supremacy. German Nazis' defamation of the Jewish population as a political agenda, while the Indian BJP RSS defamation of the Muslim population as a political agenda. German Nazis' law for protection of the German blood and honor, while the Indian BJP RSS prohibition of the unlawful conversion of religious ordinance, also known as the love jihad. German Nazi citizenship law redefined the German citizenship to exclude the Jewish people. Indian BJP RSS Citizenship Amendment Act grants the non-Muslims to regain citizenship. German Nazis law banning the kosher slaughter. Indian BJP RSS campaign against the halal products and ban on the beef consumption. German Nazis propaganda ministry controlled the press to propagate Nazis ideology. Indian BJP RSS Godi media to spread fake news to demonize the minorities. German Nazis longing for the return of the glory of Germany. Indian BJP RSS glorification of the ancient India. German Nazis economic boycott of the Jewish-owned business. Indian BJP RSS economic boycott of the Muslims-owned business. German Nazis dehumanization of the Jews as pigs, as rats. Indian BJP RSS dehumanization of the Muslims as the man-eating Rakshas. German Nazis Hitler was admired as a cult figure. Indian BJP RSS Modi is a cult figure admired as a humble chaiwala. German Nazis destruction of the synagogues, while the Indian BJP RSS destruction of the mosques.